9:11 a.m. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I just want to show you guys life in school. Stay tuned if you're interested. You know, coming to school this period is kind of scary. People are not comfortable. There are some people who believe that if mask is the solution, if you don't wear masks, you're in trouble. And there are some people there on the other side that you don't have to wear masks. It's not that deep. So you know, there's not a lot of balancing. So the school have made a rule that once you're in the building, you have to wear a mask, whether you believe it or not. So wear your mask so that everybody can feel safe at least. So yeah, that's basically it. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Aladi-Ada and I make educational videos. If you're seeing me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So bad market, bad news. This is a video called, and I have HDMI port only on my computer, so all the excitement is gone. this store is closing and they're doing 50%, 40% off and all that. So I just want to see. I've come here like a lot of times and I got either one or two things cheaper. Now so that they entice us, so they go tell you 40% or 50%, you go rush where they buy them. Well, let's see. I think I don't need anything from here. Well, let me check if they have all these slippers. But the thing is that winter don't come, so this one is hard. I cannot work out with this one. I want something that the inside is soft. Wow, these people mean business here. Everywhere is empty now. What? So I'm back from the shopping, and is that really shopping, or I just went to see things? I just bought I think about 4 items, but I'm going back to my department. I want to go and pack my stuff, and then I don't know, I'll probably go home, remove these shoes because I'm feeling too warm now. I was thinking it was going to be kind of cold because it's been cold for the past few days, so I was too lazy to pull the shoes. When I checked the weather, it was like 24 degrees. It was going to be 24, and I had already worn the shoes, so I just left my house like that because I didn't want to go through the stress of taking it off, and now I'm feeling too warm. Well, I'll go and try everything I got, just 2 things. But for the planner, I think that's the best thing that I bought today, because this quarantine spoiled everybody. No, some of us actually, not everybody, because there are some people that are very, very disciplined. Somebody like me now, I struggle so much to stay focused. And is it focused or focused? Focused or focused, whatever. So it's been hi. Wow, I do. Really?
I literally was watching your videos before I came here.
You saw my channel?
Yes.
Wow.
Like, your videos are part of the reason why I'm here, because I saw your videos, and I was like looking like through all the cameras and everything.
Wow.
I promise you. So whatever you're doing, keep it up.
Thank you.
Yes.
Are you a freshman?
No, I'm a transfer, but yeah.
Oh, do you mind being in my vlog?
I mean,
I literally just met a new
channel
friend.
out here. She's got it going on.
Oh my God.
Hey, and subscribe too.
You made my day.
You made my day.
Thank you so much.
All right, keep going.
What
Keep doing what
department?
you're doing. What happened?
What department do you
I'm
do?
in business management.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Wow.
tech. Yeah.
Junior.
I'm a junior, exactly.
I'm guessing.
What about you?
I'm graduate student.
Exactly.
My final semester. Hopefully, if everything goes well.
Everything will.
Wow.
You keep doing what you're doing, you're gonna get there.
Thank you so
right,
much. You
hey,
made my day.
Keep doing what you're doing.
I'm blushing.
Bye, bye.
Bye. Guys, I literally just met someone. Hey, I'm feeling so good. Ow, ow, ow. Please, I didn't get the name.
I'm Chandler.
What?
Chandler.
Chandler? Yes. Whoa. Okay, nice to meet you. Oh, wow, a big shout out to him. So guys, you see, people are watching you. Wow, he literally made my day. I need some commission from my school for making videos. He just told me, and he was like, you make YouTube videos, right? And you see, your guy is famous. Wow, I'm really happy because now I need to max up before going into this building, before they bounce me. So I'm back to the office. Honestly, like, I'm really happy because I make these videos so that people can, you know, just see the life on campus before actually coming. It's just like you want to get something and you want somebody that has gotten that thing before, like a review, not necessarily a review, but you know what I mean. So I'm really happy, like he just made my day. Charlie, I don't know, I probably murdered the name again, but I'm sorry. Thank you guys. I'm so fucking excited. We have come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Okay? And see you in my next one. Thank you.